Welcome to Natural Healthy Cooking. Come, let's learn to make food a medicine. In this video, we are presenting a healthy oil-free corn soup with oats. If you are new to our channel and have not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. The ingredients are sweet corn 50 grams, oats 30 grams, beans 50 grams, green chilies 10 grams, carrot 50 grams, ginger 5 grams, garlic 5 grams, pepper half teaspoon. Heat a pan and add ginger, garlic and stir to fry. Now add the corn, carrot, beans, stir and cook for 5 minutes with the lid closed. 5 minutes later, stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Now add some oats and stir. Oats are used as a healthy substitute for a corn starch. Then add 500 ml of water, black pepper and cook till the water comes to boil. That's it. Our super healthy corn veg soup with oats is ready.